Hi, it's Wendy from Wenway Creations. How are we all? Hope we're all doing well. I've just got on quickly just to give you a quick update as to how I'm getting on with my Christmas junk journal. My glue's all jammed up. Here we go. Right, so I put a pocket on the front page and I put a letter from the bookmaker in there explaining what a junk journal is. I've put a bit of Christmas material and lace and a bit of bric-a-brac, some clusters, put a little pocket here, made a little tag to go in it, just put that one up there. Excuse me. Made some little tags to go in here, just put a little gnome on and a little saying. This one up here. Put a pocket on there and I put a threefold tags booklet in there with lots of journaling space, another material cluster. I haven't put anything on the front there yet. I must do that. I've made a big tag and put some bias binding and a Christmas charm on that. Put one of my playing cards that I decoupaged. Another little fabric cluster there. Haven't done anything on that one. Haven't done anything on that one. I've got to think of something I want to do special for the centre spread. Another fabric cluster there. Another little gnomey. Put a envelope and I've just put some journaling paper in that, into that tuck, and I stuck that on the other side. Another one there. I haven't put anything in that envelope yet. Put another pocket here and just put some, these are out of the Rach and Bella Crafts and Rose's Journal in Times kit. Just put that on there and another cluster. Second signature. I haven't done much to this one. It's the one I'm sort of working on. I'll put a pocket on there and another little Christmas charm on a bulb pin. I put one of my cards in that. I was in the middle of filling this up and I made a mistake when I put these on. I glued the bottom. You're supposed to leave the bottom of the top two open, and I've glued it. Yeah, that's glued. That is glued shut. Pretty sure it is. Yeah, I think it was the last one I remembered. So that will just have to have short bits in it. I'll have to find something or make something. Another cluster there. Another little gnome on that one. Like I said, I'm looking for inspiration. I'll get my other junk journal out and get inspiration for that. So, oh dear. Haven't done anything on that. I haven't done much to the middle signature. Sort of going from both sides at the moment. So yeah. I remember to do it on this one. No. Something. Oops. I put something there. Got to fill this one up. Just been putting the pockets on. I made another one there with purple ribbon and a little booty charm. I just stuck a little thing on the back of that page. Another centre spread that I've got to find inspiration for. Just put my clusters on there. And this is Happiness and Crafting. The other, I will link them all. The other kit that I've used bits out of is, where's my bit of paper? My Porch Prints. I knew there was another one that I'd use kits out, bits of their Christmas kits. So there was My Porch Prints, Angela Kerr, Rach and Bella Crafts, their A to Z Christmas challenge, Back to Basics, along with Rose from Journals in Time. Yeah, so that's the papers I've used in this book. I need to put something along there. Just another pocket in there in the bag, simple pocket. Yeah, I need to put something on that one. I need to do something with this music paper and something on the back page. Yes. And then the grand finale, I need to do my front cover. So, yeah, that's what I've been up to. Not much. Oh, I can't put those in. I've already got those in that one. Put one in here. Yep, so that's what I've done so far. So I'll keep going and I'll give you another update soon. Take care, everybody. And don't forget, leave a comment for me. Okay, bye.